Let's make Tila bead earrings. You will need earring hooks, jump rings, ball head pins, and Miyuki Tila beads. Place your Miyuki Tila beads on your ball head pins. Other items you will need to complete the Tila bead earrings are chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, and side cutter pliers. After reading lots of reviews, I decided to get the Beadsmith Color ID pliers for $15.99 on Amazon. The ball head pins I'm using are 50 millimeters in length and the wire diameter is 0.7 millimeters. It's perfect for fitting in the tiny holes of the Miyuki Tila beads. The next step will be to make a wire wrapped loop similar to an eye pin head. Grab those round nose pliers and about a third of the way down, grasp your wire and push it around your round nose pliers. Oops, sorry, we went off screen a little. Use your pliers on the other side of the loop to make it more rounded and centered over the head pin. There are 2 holes in the Miyuki Tila bead, so we will be adding another ball head pin to the other side. Push the pin up through the hole in the Miyuki Tila bead. You want to be careful to make sure you get all of the beads and do not leave any hanging. Going to make a wire wrapped loop on this pin. Hopefully you can see it better this time. Make any adjustments necessary so your wires are the same length. Now we're going to add a jump ring. You want to be careful opening it and just pry it open at a slight angle. This helps preserve the shape when you go to close it. Now we're going to add the earring hook. Give your jump ring a squeeze to close it. Now you can make any adjustments so your earrings hang the way you want them to. Thanks for tuning in. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more video tutorials from Make and Create Kits. Thanks. Bye.